Namaskara, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here and visiting my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe because every week I will make videos related to different topics on Europe. Yes, including visas, work, scholarship and lifestyle in Europe. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, today's topic is list of international scholarship 2021 and fully funded. Before I start, gentle reminder to students, all the links are provided in the description area and please do watch my video till the end. Don't skip any part because I made this video very precisely. It will be very useful for you guys. Don't skip any part, okay? And if you are a parent or if you are a sister or brother watching this video currently, please do share this video with your children who are pursuing their graduates, post graduations, or master degree, or doctorate, or PhD, whoever it is. This content is applicable for all the students. Okay, so please do share this content with your friends and family. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 1, Heinrich Ball Foundation Scholarship in Germany. Yes, the country is Germany and the people from all the countries can apply for this. Yeah, the student who are doing their masters and doctoral and also who are undergraduate, they can apply for this scholarship. Okay, and the application fee for this free of cost. Yes, 0. And the deadline will be March 1st, 2021. Yes, that is next month, March 1st, 2021. Okay, and the types of scholarship of this includes, there are two types. One is study scholarship and another is promotion scholarship. The study scholarship is for undergraduate and master degree students and the promotion scholarship is for doctoral students. Okay, and the eligibility criteria, you should have proof of the required level of German language. Yes, B2 level is enough for this. Okay, and excellent school marks and academic scores. Yes, you should show this to them. Okay, while applying for online application. Okay, and on request, like they may ask you to show the proof of academic achievements like first grade proofs. Okay, so you should show this to them. And how to apply? So apply to this scholarship with the help of this online link. I will be mentioning this link in my description area so you can take a look later. Okay, this is all about Heinrich Ball Foundation Scholarship in Germany. Okay, so the number 2 in my list is Bristol University in United Kingdom. Yes, the country is UK. And who can apply? This is mainly targeted for undergraduate and postgraduate from all countries. Yes, and the degree level will be bachelor's and master's. Okay, and the application fee is 0 and the financial coverage is funded. And the deadline for this application is 29th March 2021. So please keep it in mind. This is like next month only it will going to end. So apply for, if you are eligible for this scholarship, please do apply as soon as possible. Okay, yeah, and read more here in bristol.uk website. I will be mentioning this link also in my description area, so please do look into that. Okay, and this related to this scholarship, Bristol University in UK, there are fields like arts, engineering, health sciences, life sciences, and social sciences and law. So these are the available fields of study except medicine, dentistry, and veterinary science. Okay, and the eligibility criteria includes, you can apply for a Think Big scholarship. Yes, this scholarship is called as Think Big scholarship. If you are classed as an overseas student for fee purposes and if you have applied to start any full-time undergraduate program excluding medicine, dentistry and veterinary sciences, or any other. Okay, if you have applied for any 1 year full-time postgraduate program at the University of Bristol in September 2021, so then you if you meet this eligibility criteria, then you can apply for this scholarship. Okay. And how about financial coverage? Let's take a look into financial coverage now. A number of awards valued at 5,000 euros and 10,000 euros are available for undergraduate students for September 2021 entry. Okay, the scholarship will be awarded for all the years of undergraduate students. A number of awards valued at 5,000 euros and 10,000 euros and also 20,000 euros are available to postgraduate students for September 2021 entry only. Okay, and the scholarship will be awarded for 1 year. Yes, for post graduations, this is only for 1 year. Okay, the awards can only for the tuition fees. You can use these awards only for your tuition fees. Okay, and how to apply? So apply to this scholarship through the online link. Like I will be mentioning this link in my description area, so please use this link to apply for this. Okay, and there are like two different links will be there for postgraduate and also undergraduate, so I will be mentioning these two links in my description area. Please have a look later. So number 3 in my list is Romania government scholarship. Yes, the country itself is saying Romania. Okay, the degree level required undergraduate, master, PhD and also doctorate. Yeah, and the financial coverage is fully funded. Yes, and the deadline will be 30th April 2021. Yeah, April 30th 2021. Who can apply for this? So all the participants from any nationality can apply. The duration for of this scholarship is for undergraduate scholarship 3 to 6 years, and for master degree 1.5 to 2 years, and for doctorate scholarships 3 to 4 years. Okay, the available academic fields are architecture, visual arts, Romanian culture and civilization, journalism, political and administrative sciences, engineering, education sciences, social and human sciences, technical studies, oil and gas, agriculture sciences and veterinary medicine. These are the available academic fields. Please note this. Okay, the classes or course will start in November. Yeah, 2021. The results will be announced by July 15th, 2021. Okay, the financial benefits and coverage includes free of charge tuition fee and free of cost of accommodation and a monthly stipend and 65 euro per month for undergraduate students for first cycle and 75 euro per month for master studies, that is second cycle, and 85 euros per month for post graduation students. Okay, that is regarding third cycle. Okay, so please note another point also here. This scholarship do not cover international transport. Okay, let's take a look into eligibility criteria. Okay, the first point under eligibility criteria is foreign citizens coming from all states of the world except European member states. Okay, yeah, and should not hold Romanian citizenship and not more than 35 years of age for bachelor's and master studies, and also 45 years respectively for doctoral studies and for postgraduate studies. Okay, you can apply for this with the help of official website of Romanian government scholarship. I will be providing this link even in my description area. Okay, and the number 4th is University of Paris scholarship in France. Yes, the country is France and university is University of Paris, and this scholarship is ranked as number 1 in Paris and 37th rank worldwide. Okay, and this scholarship is only for master degree. Okay, and the duration of this MIEM master degree scholarship is 1 year. Okay, the registration fee is 0 and it's related to the fields including health science, humanities, social science, and related fields. Okay, the financial benefits includes stipend will be given and amount varies based on the course which you are applied for. Okay, and eligibility criteria. You should hold a foreign bachelor degree, and students who are applying for the first year of master must hold a foreign degree equivalent to a French bachelor's degree. Okay, yeah, and duration of this scholarship is 1 year. Okay, the deadline is February 1st, 2021. Yes, it's already completed, but you can apply for this scholarship in next year also, because this detail is like this is every year the same date you can apply. Yeah, on February 1st of 2022 also you can apply for this scholarship. Okay, and how to apply? By using this link. I will be mentioning this also in my description area. And number 5 is Uppsala University, Sweden. Yes, the country is Sweden. And who can apply? The students who want to study bachelor's or a master degree programs. Okay, the course level includes master degree, bachelor degree. Okay, the fields includes wide range of academic fields of study options. Like duration is 1 year or 2 year. Okay, it depends. And financial benefits includes partially funded, only covers tuition fees. Okay, and the deadline is February 1st, 2021. Okay, and eligibility criteria includes some scholarships are open for all citizens of a country outside of the European Union and also European Economic Area, that is EEA, and EU or Switzerland, whilst others are only open to citizens of certain countries. Okay, you must demonstrate academic talent. It can be awarded only for a degree program at Uppsala University chosen as the first priority. Okay, you must have applied for the bachelor's or master's degree before the university admission deadline. Okay, please keep this in mind. Before the admission deadline you should apply for this. Okay, so how to apply? Please take a look in my description area. This is the link I'll be providing. Okay, and the number 6 is University of Saskatchewan Graduate Scholarship, Canada. Yes, the country is Canada. And who can apply for this? All international students from all the countries for masters and PhD. And the available academic fields includes art and art history, curriculum studies, marketing, music, indigenous studies, and philosophy, etc. Okay, and the financial coverage is funded. Deadline is 22nd February 2021, and the duration is for master scholarship 1 year, and for PhD this is 36 months. Yeah. Okay, the scholarship coverage includes for master's degree students, it is $16,000 for 24 months, and for doctorate scholars will get $20,000 up to 36 months. Okay, and all students will be able to assistance from professors in conducting research projects. Okay, and how to apply? Please take a look into this link. I'll be mentioning this also in my description area, so no worries about the link. So I'll be mentioning all the related links in my description area. Please have a look later. Okay, the 7th scholarship is Singapore University of Technology and Design. Yes, who can apply for this? The students from all the countries with any nationality can apply, and who wants to study full time and undergraduate, masters and PhD degree. Duration is for master it is 2 years, and BS and PhD students it is 4 years. Okay, and financial coverage is fully funded. Yes, and deadline is 16th March 2021. Okay, the fields of studies include innovations by design and engineering, research, urban science, policy and planning, security by design, and nanoelectronics and design, architecture, etc. Okay, the eligibility criteria includes, you can read in detail about this eligibility with the help of this link. Okay, I'll be mentioning this link also in my description area, so please go to my description area and study in detail. Okay, so how you can apply? So I will be giving this link also in my description area. Don't worry. And if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe. Please share to your family and friends. Thank you.